Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first Hallelujah Friday of 2018. So as I'm sure some of you are wondering why I'm doing my Christmas video in January, I just decided to take last week off for the holiday season. So thank you for being patient and waiting for this video. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, so I think the cat is trying to get in. She's always trying to get in when I'm filming. But today, when I'm filming this, it is actually Christmas. We did Christmas with Brett's parents this morning at 8 a.m. and then Christmas with his grandparents at noon. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. My parents are in South Carolina, like I usually go with them, but this year I decided to stay home. So I have a few things that I was given by my parents, and then the rest are Brett and his family. As a disclaimer, I do this with all of my Christmas and birthday videos on my channel. This is me not bragging in any way. I'm very blessed and very grateful to have these people in my life, and I'm so thankful for everything that they are kind enough to provide me with. And in no way does any one person need this amount of stuff for Christmas. This is probably the most stuff I've ever gotten for Christmas in my entire life. So thank you so much to all of them for my Christmas presents. So without further ado, let's get into this. As you saw in the thumbnail, I got some jewelry. The first one is a Pandora ring, which I actually have on my finger. I'm sure you guys are familiar with my little palm leaf ring that I wear a lot, but Brett's parents picked me up this little sparkly band to go with it for Christmas, obviously. I don't need to say that 1,000 times. This is another empty box that had jewelry in it from Brett. It was these gold hoop earrings that match my daith piercing. Love those. I picked those out and then he purchased them, which is how a lot of my Christmas presents went with him, but it's safer for me that way. Brett's parents got me this super awesome Adidas sweatshirt that I really wanted. It's a men's sweatshirt. It is so heavy and so long, and the second I'm done filming this video, I'm going to go take a nap and put this on. I am so tired and so full of food, and I'm sure that's how a lot of you guys are. I do have 3 or 4 huge presents in boxes that are so big we had to have a few people lift them. We got presents this year that we were completely surprised by, but one of them I just brought a piece over here so I wouldn't forget, but I'll show you when we go out there. Brett got me the Ninja kitchen blender and food processor set, but we'll get to that when we get out there. There's gonna be lots of me moving back and forth with angles, I'm sorry, but you can't see the stack over here, but I'm gonna have to be like getting up to get stuff, so I apologize for that. But Brett's sister and her fiance picked up a White House Black Market gift card for me. Brett's picked up the first 3 seasons of Buffy and the first 3 seasons of Charmed. These are my 2 all-time favorite TV shows, and I had been mentioning to him that I wanted them on DVD. I know they're on Netflix, but you never know when companies are going to absorb each other, just kind of like Disney and Fox did, or not Fox, Disney and no, it was Fox, 20th Century Fox. So you never know when those things are gonna happen and companies are gonna move where they have products. So I wanted to make sure I had them. From my mother, I got this fluffy blue hat. I'm working on fixing it because the way that it's shaped, I'll show you. I feel like one of those the English guards in front. So I'm trying to, it's just like really tight, the material. So I'm trying to like fold it over so it'll fold over and look more like that when it's on my head. But I love this, it's so soft. I'm just gonna start a pile back there. Brett's parents gave me a $25 gift card to Chipotle, and then another gift card to my nail salon, which will get me 2 sets of nails, so that'll cover like a month of nails, which is awesome. They got me 3 movies that I asked for. when they had we just went to Walmart on Black Friday and we all just picked out whatever movies we wanted. This is so funny to me. So you guys remember Real Technique sent me those brushes that look like the Artiste brushes, and the one out of the collection I did not get was the foundation brush. His mom does not watch my channel. She did not know this, and she just happened to buy me this brush, which is hysterical because you guys know I love these brushes. So I got the foundation brush, which is super cool. And then I also got one of these pedicure thingies, and it's got some extra pedicure things on the inside and a little storage container, which is super cool. I'm excited to try this. My feet are looking rough. So if you want to know how that goes, let me know in the comments below. She also bought me a Chi blow dryer. So the three girls, Brooke and Brittany and I, all got one of these and one of the petty things. And it is in the rose gold color. I'm excited. It looks like it's sparkly. I have not taken it out of its box yet. I want to see what it looks like. So it comes with all its little like diffuser attachments and such, and the little, you know, the attachments they all come with. Oh my god, it's so cute. See, it's like opening Christmas presents with you guys. Look at that. How fun is that? I always just get like the freaking cheap ones at the drugstore, and I know they're not as good for your hair. So oh, this is like hefty. I'm really excited to use this. I'll probably use it tomorrow. Super excited. I got about 1,000 packages of my favorite gum, which is the Bubblicious Watermelon. It smells so good, just out of the, like just sitting here. I can smell it through the package. Brett also got me, oh, did I open the wrong one? Just kidding. This is the one that the ring came in. This is the one that Brett got me. I wanted the Cinderella's Carriage charm for my Pandora bracelet. It is so beautiful, incredibly detailed. I actually wanted this for Valentine's Day, but he got me some really nice stuff for Valentine's Day, so I'm thrilled to have it now. And it's just gonna go directly on my bracelet. So then with the blow dryer and the pedicure thing, Brett's mom also picked me up 2-liter bottles of my purple shampoo that I love, and a bottle of my dry shampoo that I love, the Batiste. I don't particularly care what flavor this is, or scent. This is the one that I sent her a picture of. So Brett's aunt and uncle also gave me a gift card, which is insane. They gave me a Sephora gift card, which is wonderful because you guys know I've been obsessed with Sephora and all things skincare lately. So many gift cards, this is nuts. Okay, so then, along with all that hair care stuff, Brett's mom got me this It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product, which I've never tried, but I guess his sisters swear by. And then one thing I really wanted from Black Friday that I wasn't able to snag was an air fryer. So pumped for this. Brett snagged this and has been hiding it at his parents' house. So I'm super excited to try these. Let me know if you have any of your favorite recipes with the air fryer, and leave them in the comments below. All right, now it's time we get into the clothing. God help me. Okay, so all right, the first thing is this little Under Armour beanie. I love this. It is fleece lined. So cute. And I was just thinking to myself, God, I need a new beanie because I don't know where any of mine are. When I moved from my parents' house here, I think I left them all at my parents' house. So I need to swing by there and grab some more. But in the meantime, I have that one and I love it. I got a lot of athletic wear. So I also got these workout leggings from Under Armour. They're super cool. I love the print on them. Okay, so then I have this super cute Nike hoodie. It's got all these multicolored dots on it that you can see. It's lightweight, super great for working out or lounging about. I got a couple of the amazingly soft flannels from American Eagle. So I got this teal one here and a purple one. All of these clothes are from Brett's mom and dad, I guess, but mom does all the shopping. I love this color, except for this piece, which is from Brett's sister Brooke. Thank you, Brooke. She got me this super fuzzy sweatshirt from American Eagle. And then, oh my god, I'm putting these on immediately. These are just like some joggers, I think. I guess, I don't know. Joggers from Under Armour. And they have the logo on the bottom as well. They look so comfy. Oh, I can't wait to put these on. And then his mom, Jana, let me pick out this set at Dick's Sporting Goods on Black Friday. I was so pumped because obviously I'm into the Adidas thing, so it's just an Adidas t-shirt, just a gray t-shirt, and the matching sweatpants, which I am pumped about. And these are also kind of like in a jogger style. Okay, so we have to move out into the living room to look at the last few large things, but I'll start with the blender. Okay, so the blender is actually just sitting right here on the kitchen counter, but I'm gonna show you the box because the box has pictures of everything that's in it. So, I didn't even finish unwrapping it. But, so I have the blender, the food processor attachment, a tiny kitten hiding behind a box, and 2 of the bottles, the blender bottles. So Brett's parents picked us up a couple of things. Really? They picked us up a couple of things as like a couple's gift, and so did his grandma and grandpa. So for our couple's gift, we got a brand new 4K smart TV, 58-inch Samsung TV. Our TV over there is dying, like from here down the pixels flicker and it's a big mess. And then they got us the sound bar to go with it. And then his grandparents were kind enough to get us a new TV stand for our bedroom, which I will insert a picture of or show you what it looks like when it's done being put together from Nebraska Furniture Mart. And Rory got coal for Christmas because she's awful. So that pretty much wraps up our Christmas haul. Rory got new toys for Christmas. And she got adopted. But we adopted you in September, but we'll count it as your Christmas present. So we're gonna go take a nap because it's been a long day and we're full of lots of food. Do you wanna go take a nap? Yeah. She got a new Christmas collar, but it doesn't fit her, so. But without further ado, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Warrior Crew, and I'll see you in my next video.